guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Rachel and today we're going to be doing a Sephora unboxing. If you don't know what a beauty subscription service is, for basically $10 a month, some of them are more, some of them are 20, some of them are 50, it really depends on the subscription. For this one, the Sephora Play Box, it's $10 a month. They ship it straight to your door and you get about 5 to 6 products a month. And they're usually deluxe or sample size and you get to try some beauty products. And I love this subscription service so much. This is like probably one of my favorite. I've used Ipsy. I also was a huge Birchbox. I would say Birchbox is probably my second after this one. Ipsy wasn't my fave only because sometimes you can get really great things, other times it'd be like really crappy. So I don't know, everyone kind of has their own thing when they're looking for. I want top-notch beauty products. I want to try them. I want to play with them before I buy them. And so this one is perfect for me because I know everything is going to be Sephora quality. It's obviously all products that Sephora stocks. So you kind of know what you're getting for your $10. I like it a lot. Anyway, what's in the background here? Oh, it's my package. All right, so they're all different themes, by the way. So this one is Next Gen Beauty, and I should always mention in the beginning, you get this little card. This one, you get 50 insider reward points. You do have to use this one in store. Basically, you accrue points and then you can turn them in for additional samples. So I always hold those. Sometimes I want to use them and I forget them. Other times I just don't get there. You only have like 30 days to use it, but you get a new one every time and you can really rack up some points if you turn these in. So anyway, without further ado, different products this month, and every month they usually include like a fabric bag, and the fabric bags are really cute because they have like a different, you know, decoration on the front of them. This is the first time I'm seeing a plastic bag, so it's a little different. It says open bags, pours out samples, high five self. That's cute. So I'm just gonna go through them one by one. They include everything from like skincare, which if you know me, you know I'm a huge skincare junkie, to makeup, mostly makeup, some hair stuff. So you really get a really nice mix usually. And this month we have the season's most buzzed about beauty puts a focus on innovation. So it'll always have like cute little stuff on here. You can kind of read through it. I'm just gonna dive right into the products. So this first thing I see on here says Heat of the Moment. This is Peter Thomas Roth, which is a really great skincare brand. It says Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. Whoa. A powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. Why it's innovative. The water hydrates skin and infuses it with vital nutrients to visibly reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and uneven skin tone, all of which I suffer from. You just apply a quarter size amount to cleanse dry skin, let it sit up to 3 minutes, wet fingertips massage the mask to activate the flash of heat, rinse off. I'm intrigued by this. I really like the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got like a little ombre thing going on. It looks really cool. I've never heard of anything like that. I guess these are all kind of like new innovative stuff. So next we have Bragging Rights. This is the Sunday Riley, which is probably my top skincare brand. I love Sunday Riley. I'm a huge fan of the Luna Sleeping Mask. I use it almost every other night. I also love, it's so pricey, but I love their Good Genes. It's probably one of my favorite skin serums. It does amazing things to the skin. It's worth every penny. But this one is their Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream, an advanced water cream that brightens, hydrates, and plumps skin. It says this moisturizer hydrates skin using 2 types of hyaluronic acid plus tamarind extract. Papaya enzyme smooth and exfoliate, while alpha arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots, excuse me. So you apply a dime-size amount twice a day after applying a serum or alone. Pat on top of makeup to lock in hydration. Awesome. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, I didn't even smell the other one. How unlike me. Doesn't have much of a scent, but it does have a slight, you know, it smells like it could be medicinal. Let's see, does this one have a scent? This one I don't smell anything either, but for sure I'm using this like right when I'm done filming. Okay, next we have the TooFaced. This is the Hangover Rx Face Primer, which is kind of a holy grail for some. It says a replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. Why it's trending. Beauty hangovers are no match for this revolutionary primer that's infused with coconut water and other energizing ingredients. Skin looks refreshed, dewy, and makeup ready. A lot of people swear by this. I like my primer to kind of like absorb grease, and this is more hydrating. Like I never really saw the allure of it. It just kind of felt like a lotion, but a lot of people swear by this, so maybe I'm not giving it like its moment. Maybe I need to really try it over again. But yeah, this is a replenishing face primer. It's super hydrating. Next we have a NudeStix. I'm a huge fan of NudeStix. I actually met the owner and her 2 daughters, who are so lovely, at Ipsy Generation Beauty like a couple of years ago, and I fell in love with NudeStix. It's a really great formula. Comes kind of like a lip crayon, and this one is in the shade Kiss, which is one of my favorites. So this is a restock for me. It says it's a dual-purpose matte color pencil in a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks, which apparently became leaps. So I love these. I have a gloss on, so I'm not gonna take it off. Actually, you know what the heck? Let's do it. I just wanna show you how nice the color is on these, and it's super creamy, super hydrating, and honestly, these are in Sephora, but I don't think that they get enough credit personally. They're a really, really nice hydrating lip crayon that's comfortable, and all the shades are beautiful. This one's one of my favorite ones though, Kiss. Yes, I'm excited for a restock. We also have a new Sephora collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black, which I could not be happier about because I need a new mascara. I'm pretty much out of all mine, and I'm like, what's new? What will help me with my lashes? I'm pretty picky. Ooh, this one actually looks like it's going to be really nice. I have lashes on right now, so don't mind me. I'm just kind of curious how the brush will work. But I'll be trying this. The brush looks really nice. I like the brush a lot, and that has a lot to do with whether, honestly, I'll enjoy the mascara. So it just says it's a full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. So I'm into that. It has also nourishing jojoba oil, which prevents clumps, smudges, and flakes. So yeah, I will definitely give that a try. Lash Craft, I like the name too, it's cool. And last but not least, I actually used this already, so I know I like it. I got a sample of this recently. This is the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. So a lot of you know the Flower Bomb original. This is a, ooh, I just sprayed it up in the air and kind of sprayed my mouth, but that's okay. And it smells incredible. I actually want to buy this because it smells so good. It says this explosive scent combines a delicate floral bouquet with smoky and metallic notes for more sensual interpretation of the original fragrance. The original one is very strong. This one to me really gets me because it's not overly floral. It's got like a little bit of this like smoky night scent that makes it just like, I don't know. I like the original one, but I like this one better. I would get this one. So anyway, that is it. Again, you have all your products nicely laid out. Another reason why I love this subscription. I say this in almost every video, but I know people kind of check in at different points, so I just want to reiterate, one of my favorite beauty subscriptions, totally worth the $9.99. And again, I don't have to buy beauty products as often because these samples take a while to go through. So I think it's worth it for $10. Like, these samples are well worth it. And then you get to try things before you buy them, see what you like, and then you can always go ahead and get the full size. So that is it for me, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, say hello. And if not, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.